In this video, we're going to be showing you how to fix chat is restricted in your region problem on Roblox. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's get into the video.
This is caused because you have a few things you didn't change up in your settings. So you have to make sure that you are in the country or you're in the region and choose that specific region that you are in. Okay. Otherwise, if say you're in Italy and you choose that if you choose say like you're in Italy, but then the region you chose is maybe South Africa, then you get that restriction. And also another thing, guys, make sure that you don't have any VPNs running. So most of you go on Roblox while you're running on some VPNs. So if you do that, you get that restricted region error. So basically, if you have any VPN like this one, guys, just go ahead and disconnect it and also close it and refresh your Roblox. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.